Fucking hell. I caught that. You're right. You're right. You sure? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I probably ambulance, please.
Yeah, I know. I got it on camera. The details.
Do you want me to call the ambulance? I'm calling the ambulance. Yeah, do you want to check?
Do you want to get out?